I again want to go back to the strikes at Bahawalpur, and Dr. Anand Ranganathan, the Jaish-e-Mohammed camp here is very close to the Pakistan 31 Corps headquarters. It has a area of about 18 acres, where there is a horse stable, there is a swimming pool, there is a masjid, there are gyms that are present. Not really masjid, training center, and that has been attacked right inside Pakistan. Is this something that would have taken Pakistan completely unaware?
Well, as I said, they did not even have time to prepare for mock drills. This has happened in reality. Couple of points out here, Navika. Number one, as far as this being a message, yes, the previous speaker very rightly pointed out that the planning was so meticulous on all fronts. I'm talking of technical as well as emotional, that it tugs at the heart of every Indian that justice has been taken. The other important point is that because we have now hit for the first time the heart of Pakistan, 4 centers, terror centers in Punjab, this is also in more ways than one, Navika, please understand, a dare to Pakistan. So yes, I completely agree with Smita. In whatever capacity it will retaliate. We have to be prepared. Now, we would not have hit the heart of Pakistan if we were not already had taken this possibility into account. So yes, we are prepared, but at the same time, we have to be ready for retaliatory strikes, because this time we have hit the heart of Pakistan, not just the Pakistan occupied Kashmir.
Absolutely. Maryam Nawaz Sharif now tweeting that all examinations postpones, universities will remain closed today, clearly, and Nishikant Dubey tweeting there, खौफ नजर आ रहा है.